This house is really close to my heart. I think we really enjoy coming here. We really enjoy spending time here. The way each space kind of just changes over the course of day and how the light just shifts. It is really beautiful. And I think that when we talk about how complex the design process is, I think the most special thing about this whole house is how simple it was.
ये छुपा हुआ प्लॉट है, सो आप मेन रोड से दिखता नहीं है। सो आप जब इस गली में आते हैं छोटी सी, तो देन इट रिवील्स इटसेल्फ आफ्टर गुड 50-60 फीट।
So the brief of the project was very simple. It was a house that she wanted to build for her family, for them to reconnect to their roots in Pakistan. In the whole process, I think what was really important, the creative freedom that she actually gave, that really helped in the design process and the final product that we see today. So when we talk about reconnection to the roots, the first thing that comes to our mind is heritage, traditional elements. But I think this was never what she was looking for. She was looking for a space that is really livable, that's modern, that is very relevant to her current lifestyle or her kids' lifestyle, something that they could really relate to.
When you come upstairs, you have a range of view जो कि आपको इस तरफ आप देखेंगे तो good 300-400 feet you can look without your privacy being compromised. It's also the morning light के ऊपर family है, so this unit upstairs 3 bedrooms, a little kitchenette, a living. This is where they will be hanging out or spending most of their time. So this starts getting light, nice light in the morning. And it goes all the way to the evening where you have the best light, the sunset on that end. And again, it's a screened view. You should have the ability to look out while being screened from the view that you choose to be screened from. So हमने उसको दरख्तों को व्यू को फ्रेम भी किया है, उस व्यू को जहाँ हम मैक्सिमाइज़ कर सकते थे, लाइक जो आप सीढ़ियों से ऊपर आते हैं या बेसमेंट में जाएँ, ग्राउंड से ऊपर आएँ. सो इट्स नॉट कि आप एक डब्बे में गुजार रहे हैं. यू आर एक्चुअली एवरी स्टेप यू टेक योर व्यू चेंजेस एज यू कम अप.
The terraces on the first floor covered through those screens for privacy, but at the same time, when you step on the first floor, the lounge itself is not that big. But the fact that it has uninterrupted views of the garden next door and the terraces, I feel that you just don't feel that you're in a small space. So when you go in the basement, the courtyard basically acts as that inside-outside space. There is opportunity to actually use that courtyard in winters, where your study, your courtyard, and the lounge space kind of just simply gets connected. The light in this house is really serene. Like even in spaces that we really did not plan for, like the way it kind of washes the stair wall, and the way the double height lobby wall kind of just washes and has that pattern of the screens and the shadow. It is beautiful. The most special thing about this house is that the way it looks during the day and the way it looks during evening is totally different. रात के time पे those terraces just start to really glow, and the ambient light coming from the rooms also adds into that character of the terraces and how the facade looks from outside. So looking back, I think that it is a home that connects people and experiences, and you can really achieve that and enjoy that process when you have that creative freedom. And I think that is why we were so involved in the process, from selection of materials of the facades to these really minute details that you will see in this house. I think the whole process was really special to us, and we really enjoy doing it.